Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn the sound of letter B and few words that starts with letter B. Come, let's get into the video. This is capital B. Capital B. This is small b. Small b. The sound of letter B is B. B. The sound of letter B is B. So now let's look into few things that start with letter B. B for ball. B, B, ball. B for ball. B for bat. B, B, bat. B for bat. B for balloon. B, B, balloon. B for balloon. B for bus. B, B, bus. B for bus. B for banana. B, B, banana. B for banana. B for butterfly. B, B, butterfly. B for butterfly. B for boy. B, B, boy. B for boy. B for bell. B, B, bell. B for bell. B for bag. B, B, bag. B for bag. B for boat. B, B, boat. B for boat. So let's see it again. B for B, B, ball. B for B, B, bat. B for B, B, balloon. B for B, B, bus. B for B, B, butterfly. B for B, B, banana. B for B, B, bell. B for B, B, boy. B for B, B, bag. B for B, B, boat. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.